In the vibrant heart of the enchanted rainforest, where the leaves whispered tales to the wind and the flowers danced to the rhythm of nature, lived two parrots named Harmony and Mischief. Now, these weren't your ordinary, run-of-the-mill parrots. They were as distinct as day and night. Harmony, the parrot with feathers of the most serene blues and greens, embodied the goodness of the rainforest. She spent her days perched on the branches, singing melodic tunes that echoed through the emerald canopy. Animals and trees alike swayed in harmony with her delightful songs. On the flip side, there was Mischief, a parrot adorned in bold red and mischievous shades of purple. Mischief, true to his name, had a penchant for causing, well, mischief. He'd imitate the calls of predators to send the smaller animals into a frenzy or play pranks on unsuspecting creatures just trying to enjoy their day. One sunny morning, as the sun cast its golden glow over the rainforest, Harmony was perched atop a branch, weaving a melody that made the flowers bloom in pure delight. Meanwhile, Mischief was nearby, observing her with a glint of, well, mischief in his eyes. "Mornin', Harmony. Always with the sweet tunes. You're gonna put everyone to sleep with all this serenity," Mischief squawked. Harmony smiled warmly. "Oh, Mischief, there's so much joy in spreading kindness. Try it sometime." Mischief scoffed. "Kindness is overrated, my feathered friend. The real fun is in a bit of chaos." As the day unfolded, Harmony continued to spread joy with her songs, while Mischief decided to play tricks on unsuspecting butterflies and chattering monkeys. The other animals of the rainforest couldn't help but be torn between the tranquility of Harmony's melodies and the excitement of Mischief's pranks. One day, a wise old owl named Oliver approached the two parrots. "Harmony, your melodies bring peace to the rainforest. Mischief, your antics stir things up. But remember, a balance between the two makes the forest truly enchanting." Harmony and Mischief exchanged glances. They decided to give it a shot. Together, they created a symphony of songs and playful mischief that resonated through the enchanted rainforest. The animals, trees, and even the river joined in, creating a harmonious blend of serenity and excitement. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a magical glow over the rainforest, Harmony and Mischief perched side by side. They realized that, in their own unique ways, they contributed to the beauty of the enchanted rainforest. And so, in the heart of the lush greenery, the good and the mischievous found a way to coexist, creating a melody of life that echoed through the enchanted rainforest for generations to come. Harmony and Mischief, the two parrots with contrasting feathers, taught the world that sometimes, a bit of mischief can add a touch of excitement to the sweet symphony of life.